Everyone, welcome to Happy's Craft. Today I want to share something very close to my heart. This is Handmade Aarti Thali made using a simple paper plate, specially prepared for offering during Yamuna Aarti. Sometimes devotion doesn't need expensive items. It's only need pure intentions, love and faith. Yamunaji is not just a river for us. She is considered as Mother Yamuna, symbol of purity, devotion, and divine grace. Offering Aarti to Yamunaji is believed to bring a peace, positivity, and blessing to our life. During a Yamuna Aarti, this thali is gently floated in Yamunaji, along with prayers, diyas, and flowers. This handmade thali makes the moment even more special. As you see in the video, I have started with a simple paper plate as a base, printed it with calm and auspicious colors. Slowly decorate it using flowers, pearls, beads, pom-poms and glitter elements. Each decoration was placed mindfully, keeping the thali light-weighted so it can float easily on the water. I added a diya space in the center so the light can glow beautiful during Aarti. Making this thali was not just a craft activity for me, it was a form of bhakti. Every element is placed with prayer, hoping that Yamunaji accept this small offering. If you believe in handmade devotion and feel that faith matter more than perfection, then this Aarti thali is for you. This thali can be used not only for Yamunaji Aarti but also for Ganga Aarti or any other river or water ritual during special occasions. If you like this idea, please like, share and subscribe to Happy's Craft for more such beautiful and creative devotional DIYs. Do share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. I would love to read them. You can also make this beautiful Aarti thali at home by following these easy steps. If you love the diya design, I have shared the diya decoration tutorial link in the description. So you can also create this diya at home. By adding each element one by one, our Aarti thali is slowly coming together and looking more and more beautiful. And now with all decoration in place, our Aarti thali is almost ready to offer during the Aarti. You can add flowers, pearls or color of your choice to make it even more special. This handmade Aarti thali is simple, meaningful and made with lots of love. I hope you enjoy making this along with me. Thank you so much for watching.